Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I will introduce you to new type hinting feature of Python and also with composition. So to start with, we have a class person whose constructor takes name, which is a string. You will see the strange thing, name colon str. So it gives a hint that name should be a string. Name should be a string. Similarly, for address constructor, it has street, which is a string, state, country, also strings, and zip code is an integer. So you assign all these to different object variables. And then we have class employee, which does not inherit from either person or address. But in its constructor, it receives an object of type person and an address of type address, and then assigns to two different object fields. Now, if you see, I have created a person P and an address A, and then I created an employee E by passing P and A. Now, this technique is called composition, where you compose an object using objects of different classes. You do not inherit. The advantage of this technique is that you do not have complex inheritance diagram, and also that you can use P and A to construct other objects also, because two persons might have same address if they're in a family. So to end with, I just print that e.person.name and e.address.street. Now the thing is that even though I have said that name should be a string, I can pass an integer. It won't complain, I guess. So you see, it does not complain. So it is just that it is for programmers' benefit and for editors' benefit, wherein your IntelliSense, it can tell you that you are passing an integer while you are expecting a string in this function. So it can generate a linting error kind of thing. But it is not that the script will will refuse to run your program. That no, it is not a compiled language yet. It remains an interpreted dynamic language. So it's just for the benefit of programmer, so that your errors can be catched at what you call by linting the program rather than at runtime. So that's one new feature I wanted to brought up about Python, that is type hinting, and second was composition. So I think that's it. There is nothing much complicated about these things. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and found it informative. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching. Happy programming.